Hi, Stephen. Wow, a note. I haven't written one of these in a while. Then again, I haven't gotten one of these in a while either. Unless you count the note that Dan left me this morning in my bathroom. So, how are you? How is Karen? Is her boyfriend back yet? Sorry if he is, 'cause that means no more fooling around, right? Maybe not. Did you go out and play in the snow yesterday? I drove in it. Pretty cool, huh? I feel so unloved. You never even talk to me in the halls anymore. How's the endless search for a tall, thin, picture-perfect model who is great in bed coming? That's good. You should look more for personality because you can't just look at them. It's nice to have someone to talk to once in a while, you know? I hope you're passing all your subjects. Third quarter is almost over. Bell's gonna ring. See ya. Love, Kim.
Were there any special codes or symbols you used in your notes to keep them secret? Comment below.